Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change wipers on an Audi A4. First, turn on your car's ignition without starting the engine. Then, turn the ignition off right away. Within a few seconds, press and hold the wiper stalk down for about 3 seconds. This action will move the wiper arms into their upright service position, making them accessible for replacement. Now that the wiper arms are in service position, gently lift one arm away from the windshield until it locks. Locate the small release tab on the wiper blade itself, near where it connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade off the hook. Be very careful when lowering the arm back down, as it can easily crack the windshield if dropped. With the old blade removed, take your new wiper blade. Align the new blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fastened. Repeat these steps for the other wiper arm to replace both blades. Once both new wiper blades are installed, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn your car's ignition on and then off one more time. Finally, give the wiper stalk a quick, brief press downwards. The wiper arms will then smoothly return to their normal resting position at the bottom of the windshield, completing the replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.